Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. So today's class, what I'm going to teach you is how to draw a neck. It's called the neck. Okay, the shoe of duct. Okay, this is a branch duct, and this is the main duct. Okay. So how do we draw? It's all in AutoCAD. Okay. So how do we draw the shoe or the neck for a branch duct? Okay, there's a rule here. There's a small rule here. The rule is as follows. Okay, the shoe, the width, the minimum width has to be 100 or width divided by 4. It has to be minimum how much? 100. Okay, so click here to here is 600. So 600 divided by 4 is how much? 150, isn't it? Okay, say exit. Okay, draw a line, offset. Say okay, explode this. Okay, then you would say offset. How much? 150. Okay, then what you draw is draw a line. Line. Remove the F8. How much the angle will be? It should be that side, the second part. So 135, 45 degrees. Okay. And what you can do is, yeah. Okay. I hope this is clear. Yes, extra here. Anyway. Okay. Then what you do is do trim. Isn't it? And remove this extra whatever you have done. Isn't it? Okay. Oops, not that much. So I hope this is clear now. So this is how you draw a shoe. Okay. So I hope today you understood how to draw a shoe. Okay. So air will go like this, isn't it? Okay. If you want, you can just show the arrow direction also. Okay. Let's say, yeah, select that midpoint. F8. Isn't it? So it go like this, isn't it? So we can draw another arrow, D line, width 50 and width 0, 90. Okay, I hope this much you understood. You understood how to draw. My aim was to teach you how to draw this neck in AutoCAD. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's small class. It's a small class on how to draw a neck. Okay, if you like create similar. See, here he draws a T. We don't want this. We want to take off. It's called a take off. Okay. There's a procedure for this actually. Anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. And the story was, see, for me, aim was to show you in AutoCAD. Okay, listen. Okay, tab. To show you in 3D how does it. Okay. AutoCAD. Anyway, I hope today's class you enjoyed. See you fresh and energized in the next class. Okay, take care, and I think that's it. Bye.